रेणु
We wanted to book one room near the Kedarnath temple, but in the online websites we didn't get any. So we booked one tent in the Kedar Bhairav tent camp. This tent is near to the Kedarnath temple and it takes only around 3 minutes to reach the temple. And from here, the Bhairavnath temple can also be reached. In fact, the main road to Bhairavnath temple starts right from here. The tent is a small one for 2 people to fit in properly. Along with the bags, it becomes quite difficult. But the person over here who takes care of everything is very helpful and he offered us help to keep our bags in his tent. It has the basic amenities like a pillow and they have given 2 blankets which were enough to stay in 3 degrees Celsius in Kedarnath. There is one bulb and a charging point as well. There are 2 toilets which are very near to the camp. In fact, it's over here only.
You can see the pink colored door.
Yes.
This is the toilet.
This is the toilet, yeah. When we were coming up, we saw that tents are available for only 1000 rupees. But I don't know why they charged us 1500. Maybe because this is the nearest camp to the Kedarnath temple. And yes, hot water is also available in the morning and they charge 100 rupees per bucket. So if anybody asks me whether I would like to stay in a tent again, the answer will be a no, because it is very difficult to change dress inside a tent since you cannot stand up. In the morning, I saw some water droplets in the tent and my bag also soaked a bit. Since I did not have any other option and I was compelled to book a tent, I stayed over here. But in future, I will remember this experience and I'll try not to repeat this again.
Rana
This water is coming directly from the glaciers. Yesterday night we drank this water. And if you want to buy mineral water, then that is for 1 liter you'll have to pay 80 rupees per bottle. This is the camp of Kal Bhairav tent, and over there you can see the road which leads to the Kal Bhairav temple. Up there, orange flags. There is a shortcut route also. See that Yogi Baba is going from that way. Some organizations are providing free meal to the pilgrims who have come over here from morning till night. So the food price is so expensive. On top of that, these people are providing free meals. They are earning the blessings of each and every pilgrim. This is the way to the Kal Bhairav temple. He is the protector of Kedar belt.
Sare gama mama gare gama pa dani sani dani dani da sani dani sani gare sani re sani dani sani gama mama gare sani re sari do.
Now only one mountain can be seen snow covered, but in October all the peaks over here are covered with snow. But every season has its own beauty. Like now we can see the stream
According to Hindu mythology, the Pandavas, after winning the great battle of Kurukshetra, sought to atone for their sins of killing their kin. Deeply saddened by such massacre of lives, Lord Shiva was reluctant to grant them forgiveness. Eluding them, he transformed as Nandi the bull and went to the Garhwal Himalayas. Bhima, the second Pandava, recognized the bull as Lord Shiva and tried to catch him, to which Mahadev disappeared into the ground only to appear again as 5 Swayambhu Shivlings in 5 different places, collectively known as the Panch Kedar. The hump of the bull surfaced at Kedarnath, the arms in Tunganath, the face in Rudranath, the belly in Madhya Maheshwar, and the jata or the hair in Kalpeshwar.
In 2024, a lot of pilgrims have come to the Kedarnath Dham. The number is estimated to be more than what was in 2023, and for that reason, the queue time has become longer. While coming uphill, we encountered a lot of pilgrims who advised us to stand in the queue at around 1 or 2 o'clock in the midnight. But even after that, it was taking around 6 hours for the darshan. The evening aarti at the Kedarnath temple starts at around 7:30 in the evening, and all the pilgrims gather over here. Even we came over here, but we couldn't see the aarti properly as it is done inside the main sanctum. Suddenly we noticed that the queue is really short, and we stood in the queue at that time and completed the darshan in only 45 minutes. So even if you want to complete the darshan in a very short span of time, you can try to come in the temple premise at around 7:30 till 8:30.
कहाँ से आए आप लोग? कहाँ से आया? बेंगलोर, कर्नाटका। कितने लोग आया उधर से? 7 लोग। जय कर्नाटका नहीं, जय केदारनाथ।
We are all aware of the 2017 cloudburst in the Kedar Valley. At that time, everything got washed away. A huge chunk of rock came from the uphills and got fixed right behind the Kedarnath temple. For this reason, the flood waters were diverted into 2 segments, making the temple untouched and unaffected by the calamity. People believed that without divine power, this miracle couldn't have taken place. And now, the pilgrims worship the rock as Bhimshila. I see that a lot of people have come with their own tents. It is a brilliant idea to save some money and also stay in the temple premises.
One of the 12 Jyotirling temples, the Kedarnath temple is one of the holiest pilgrimage sites of India, nestled in the majestic Himalayas. Kedarnath is a place of immense spiritual power. It is said that those who visit and pray here with a pure heart receive the divine blessings of Lord Shiva. The temple is believed to have been built by the Pandavas and later revived by Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya. Beyond the temple, Kedarnath offers breathtaking views and serene surroundings. Meeting fellow pilgrims and hearing their stories adds to the richness of this journey.